that, 10 minutes? This is it? Hey? Sure.
Yeah?
Alright. Yeah. Hello. How you doing? Open for dinner? Dinner? Yeah. What we got? We got 2 menus.
Thank you.
All right.
One spring roll?
One lot. One serving of spring rolls. One. Yeah.
Vegetable.
And then 2. Sorry.
Vegetable, no?
And then
Vegetable.
1 spring rolls and then 2 vegetable
Yeah,
noodles.
noodles.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
The vegetable spring roll.
Oh, vegetable spring rolls. Yes. Yes. All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
All right. Thank you very much. Awesome. Oh, that's done. Awesome. Thank you.
Are you from
Australia.
Australia?
Yeah. All right. Bit of chili sauce. Thank you. Excellent. What do we got? 90. All right. There we go. You can keep the change. There we go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Excellent. All
Put
right.
that in your bag or not?
Now I'll have a sip later. Thank you. Thank you.
Happiness Day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. There we go. That's one whole day in Senaru. What did you think of that waterfall? We definitely got hustled on this one. However, the community relies on tourism and literally 85% of the hotels were destroyed because of that quake. This is why everything was booked out online and why no one, locals or tourists, were around. In the greater scheme of things, 200 baht, $20 Australian probably means a lot more to our agent and guide than us. And I have to say, even though he was pushy, he was a great salesman. He was just trying to continue on with his job as if nothing had changed and he wanted business. However, the fact that we never saw him again after paying means he clearly knew he overcharged us. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Put my shoes on now.
Yeah, it's alright. That's just key. We haven't said anything yet. He hasn't mentioned anything yet. He's just said drink. Morning.
Probably the most attractive I've seen.
Our host. He's a cool dude. Oh no. Oh, she's gone to our room, man. No. Let's get back down. Do you want to eat up here or down here? We eat over here. That's alright. Excellent, that's good. Is it just hot drink or is there also some food?
Yeah.
There's some food as well? It include food?
Yeah.
Oh, banana pancakes. Yeah, okay. Alright, that's cool. Excellent. It's a hot one. Hey man.
Hey, man.
Yeah, good. Is this right, is it?
Yes.
Yes. You're the driver?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
Excellent. Cool. So should we settle up the bill?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
One second, eh?
Yeah, that's okay, man. Yeah. I'll bring the bags up.
Oh, yeah. Of
Yeah,
course. That's
yeah. Alrighty. We ended up only staying one night due to how quiet town was, as well as the fact that the main attractions, the three waterfalls, were practically closed down. We were going to go to Titibatu, however, we decided on Singigi. All in all, our hosts at Bintang Senaru were really nice people and we wished them all the best. Unfortunately, unless the main attractions, the three waterfalls, are open again, I just don't see Senaru bouncing back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll get you to count that one. Make sure there's 600.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Cool. And this is for your hospitality.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Alright, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Welcome.
Excellent.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
Okay.
Yeah, alright. See ya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
See you later, mate. Next time.
See you in the moon. Ready?
Yeah, man.